Hey guys, Josh from Films Go here, and today we're going to be reviewing The Hateful Eight. So The Hateful Eight is directed by Quentin Tarantino, and it's his 8th film that he's made out of 10, because he announced that he's going to be making 10 films. This movie stars Samuel L. Jackson, Kurt Russell, Jennifer Jason Leigh, Walton Goggins, Damian Bichir, Tim Roth, Michael Madsen, Bruce Dern, and many more. So the story is about a bounty hunter who stops at a cabin due to a storm, and shit hits the fan, and we get a Quentin Tarantino-esque style whodunit western, and it's really great, guys. Pros I had with this movie is that it's a classic throwback. So what I mean by that is that it was shot in 70mm film. There was a nice classical score at the beginning of the film. Halfway in between there was a 15-minute break. It was really good, and all the story was driven by chapters, and it was really cool to see. So the acting was also amazing. Walter Goggins really stood out to me. He was my favorite character of the whole movie. Just the way he was able to put on the accent, I bought him as the character. He was really, really great. And also Samuel L. Jackson, this is probably one of the best movies I've seen him do. Just him as his character was mind-blowing. It was all in his face. You could tell if he was lying, if he was telling the truth. So the story was very compelling and very well written. I thought that everything seemed to tie in together. No scenes seemed to be unnecessary in the movie. It was really good to see good cohesion in a film. Especially after this year, I thought a lot of films missed that. This one had a lot of scenes that were necessary towards the actual story itself. Another good thing I thought about this movie was that the dialogue was amazing. Although what can you really expect from Quentin Tarantino? That's always what his movies are going to deliver to you. And it always seems like he could get the best out of his actors, and they always deliver good dialogue in his movies. Any movie he has, all of the 8, even from Dusk Till Dawn, which he co-produced with Rodriguez, I believe, and that was a vampire-esque movie. He just does really well with the dialogue. So this movie was so good that I only had one problem really, and the problem that I had was the 3-hour runtime. For a movie like this, I felt like it could have been shorter. Sometimes it seemed to drag on a little bit. I think some of the scenes could have been shorter for sure. And the only bad thing about having a movie 3 hours in a movie that's dialogue driven like this is, for me, I felt that at times I seemed to nod away and go away from what I was supposed to be paying attention in the movie. And in a movie like this, you shouldn't have that problem. You should always be paying attention to the dialogue, because if you miss something, then that's it. So overall, guys, I thought The Hateful Eight was an amazing movie. Quentin Tarantino did a great job with this one. It's Samuel L. Jackson, Walton Goggins, even Kurt Russell did an amazing job in this movie. So I give this movie an A, just because it was so amazing. The dialogue was great. I know a lot of people have been saying this isn't his best, and it isn't his best. He's definitely done better films, but that doesn't take away from the fact that this was a great movie. If you like what you see here and you want to see more, click subscribe to see more. I'll be posting videos Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.